Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comments, so let's go. Car Jump Starter. No more waiting. Jumpstart immediately. Super Energy Pro Car Jump Starter. A car can be jump started in a second when the battery is low because of the peak current up to 1000 A and strong power. Car Windshield Crack Repair. Easy to heal and repair most crack types on car casement, which are caused by traffic accidents. Smart Dash Cam. 2K Ultra High Definition of 2560 x 1440p, capturing license plates, road signs, and other critical details on the road. Very clear and smooth images display, as like a stream flowing on the excellent WDR, and auto-adjusting brightness. Car Wireless Charger. Magnetic sensor and motor opening/closing. Charges your phone automatically when it is placed into the holder. Point 2 side on/off button for easy detachment of your smartphone with just one hand, convenience and safe driving. Car Tent. High quality, professional manufacture, waterproof, easy to clean, heat insulation, and sun protection, lightweight, convenient to store and carry. Simple assembly and open, only needs 60 seconds, multi-useful. Car Tent, big umbrella, camping sun. Car Bicycle Carrier. There are two options, that with spare tire and without tire for you choose. Suitable for these car types that the rear has the trailer square tube or tow hook. The tow hook can use the square tube to replace it. Electric inflatable pump. Mini, high performance and easy to use. Dynamic eye inflator pump. Compact and portable. Just the right size. LED digital displays to show tire pressure with one touch. License plate frame flip, anti-concealed camera, safeguarding the personal privacy. Same as the common car license plate, pretty appearance and covert. Anti-rust, stable quality, for long-term use. Fast moves, just need 1.5 seconds, can meet your urgent. Car Windshield Sunshade. Made of high-grade material, this car sun umbrella is heat insulation, UV block, and reliable to use for long service. Automotive car sun umbrella can effectively protect you from sunlight and provide you with a cool driving. Car GPS Radar Detector. Mini car radar detector and anti-radar detector alarm distance 800 black radar signal detector. The signature technology of the radar detector is the most advanced to date. The device contains the characteristic handwriting. Hey, if you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.